Starting a cleaning business is both exciting and scary, but the real intimidation lies within figuring out how to grow your cleaning business and retain new clients. The good news is that your cleaning business can be easily managed with the help of our residential cleaning software. Cleaning service software is a great tool to help strengthen your organization and online presence by tracking various tasks, providing quick estimates, and offering insight on the capabilities of your business. With a unique, reliable online cost estimator to help engage your visitors and leads, you'll be answering questions and closing deals without even lifting a finger. To help you stay on top of your cleaning business like a pro, we've researched how the best cleaning software can help you streamline and grow your cleaning business without any hassle. Here's why you should use a cleaning software, such as Compass Wave, for your cleaning business. More reliable, faster, and accurate house cleaning estimates, Compass Waves provides built-in estimation tools to ease the burden of giving accurate house cleaning estimates. Everything the customer needs is organized in one place: services offered, customer information, estimate details, and more. Improve productivity with the help of task allocation. Get an edge over rivals. With a professional cleaning service software like Compass Wave, you can easily stay ahead of the game, providing top-notch user experience features to grow your cleaning business. Want to know more about how Compass Wave could be a helping hand to grow your cleaning business? Contact us now or visit compasswave.com for more information.